pals, it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code TheRamenerator. You get a discount. This is like a Wantan Chuka Soba. Okay? Acecook, Japanese. And you add the hot water and you let it kind of do its thing for 3 minutes, and that's that. This is the third one I'm doing today. It's Friday. Got an unboxing done, kind of doing the record time on these things. Here we are. I'm going to give a little bit of oofa oofa. Oofa. Oofa oofa. It's a new term. I've never said that before. I'm feeling a little zany today. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's a day. It's a day. It's not Thursday. It's Friday. And yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe we should get rid of the dog. It's tough. She's a handful. I don't know. Happier things. It's raining and it's miserable outside. No. Oh, it's my daughter Mimi's in kindergarten, and she had, today was show and tell. She was like, what am I going to bring? What am I going to bring? And I let her take one of my, you know, the beckoning cats, the solar-powered things, and they wave. I had one sitting on a shelf that was, like, completely coated in dust, but I cleaned it off. I was like, how about this? She's like, so she's all stoked, and, yeah. Curious what she'll have to say, how people had to say about her beckoning cat. I'll let her have it. Yeah. Why not? They're pretty delicate, though. She's like, oh, you have to play with it really gentle. I'm like, no, you really don't even play with those things. It's just like the lightest plastic in the world and a calculator solar panel. It's tiny. But all it does is charges up a thing to make some magnetic force, just enough to pull it back, and then it lets go of that force. What do you call it? It's like a capacitor. Is it a capacitor? I don't know, but it gets the solar cell charges a thing which causes magnetic force, which pulls the arm back, and when that dissipates, it goes forward. Something like that. And it's really, I mean, granted, we're talking like a very, 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 very small amount of electricity that's generated by a solar panel that's the size of what? A French fry on the bottom, in the bottom of the little box from McDonald's. I mean, we're talking like that by that. Yeah. But it does pretty good, and I believe that one does it so hard it's like, and it goes tick, 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 which is not bad, you know? So, yeah. Amazing technology. I've got ones that actually take batteries, like big ones. Large beckoning cats. I always like those things. I used to have a ton of them. Then I had kids, and I had to put them away. They would climb up, and they would start messing with them and pull the arms off of them. I tell you, what can you do? What can you do, folks? I don't know. Gotta do something. I'm not sure what. This looks interesting. The noodle looks interesting as well. So this is from a special line by Acecook of cups that are really generally quite good. So here's our noodle. This looks like it might be fancy. Kind of a so-so. And here is the wonton. I don't know that there's anything inside it. Give this a try. Man. Definitely not fully hydrated after 3 minutes. A couple minutes more definitely would do the trick. Salty Chuka soba broth, not bad. Kind of underwhelming, I guess would be the right term. Not finding it like, wow, that's amazing, or anything even in the neighborhood of amazing at all. But it's a thing, it can be eaten, and it's not off-putting. So that's kind of a, I mean, those are all good things. It doesn't taste horrible, but it doesn't have a lot of things that I'd like to see in it. Like, I don't know, making me go, wow, that was good. Let's see. And of course the wonton wants to hide. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. There's a wonton. There's a wonton. But now to do with the comb over, it's a pain in the butt. Yeah, what do we do here? Come on, America. Help us out, America. There we go. Then we've got a piece of chashu. Got a lot of this left. I think we made that in October, I believe. And I took the same amount I usually get of the pork belly, and did 3 thin rolls of it and sliced them and got a lot out of it. And that is pleasant because honestly, pork belly, it really, even right now, isn't incredibly expensive, but I'd rather not spend a bunch of money on meat. Especially when a lot of the time it just like, I know it's gonna kill some of you, but I don't eat it always. Really, ever, much. Sometimes. I mean, I really haven't eaten much today, so I've had a few bites of noodles here, as you've seen, but I think I had an egg, and I'll probably eat this slice of chashu because I like chashu. It's not that it's bad, it's just that it's, you know, not on a menu. Which will drive some of you batty, but that's okay. I could use a little bit of shichimi right about there. Did I do sesame seed? I think I did. I don't really care. This is kind of a neither here nor there kind of bowl of ramen. So let's say yay, last one of my week. Here we go. Alright, I guess I'm gonna go sail off into the pygmy twilight. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you to enjoy your noodles each and every day and have a good one. Bye-bye.